So our project title is the To-Do List app. My name is Moses Angelo V. Panganiban, and or known as Celovanville in GitHub account and edX. So I live at Quezon City, Metro Manila, and we have recorded this video November 9, 2024. Wala.
Hello, my name is Hans William J. Manuba.
And my name is Russell Vincent C. Garces, and in GitHub, I'm also known as TDS66.
So our code basically works like this. You implement it and it welcomes you to the to-do list application. It gives you many options to add a task, view a task, remove a task, or exit the program. So if you want to add the task, you select the option number 1, press enter, and then you add a task. Simply add any task, let's say chores, and then it will tell you that enter the task. It will tell you that the task chores has been added. Now if you want to view this task, you press number 2 and it will show you the task. You can add as many tasks as you want, but you can also remove the task. So select 3 and it will ask you for the ID, and the ID is basically the number besides it. So press 1 and then it will tell you that the task chores has been removed. When you go back to view the task, there will be no task available since you removed the task. And then if you want to exit the program, you press 4 and exiting the application. So that's basically how our program works, and our main function is to create a to-do list task. This is our code for every function. We also included a file that includes the project test, so we can test the file before actually implementing it.